Yo, what's up, guys? Third post on the channel, third recap. Today is the Thursday, the 5th February. Took a trade this morning, had bearish bias, took a short, hit TP, made $500 or $590. Um, so yeah, I'm pretty glad I came back from the loss I took yesterday, and yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Um, I think now it's time to let's break it down a bit. Also, if you guys have any advice, just please let me know in the comments so I can get better at this because, um, I'm still in the learning process of day trading, hoping, shooting for a eval maybe in a month or two because I started learning in August and I'm trying to like seriously pick it up right now. So yeah, I've been trying to do these trade recaps just to it's a pretty cool way of to learning, and if any other people want to see it, then they could. All right, so we're on the 1 hour time frame, and first thing I can notice, we're downtrending, right? We're in a bearish downtrend. We're respecting this bearish 1 hour fair value gap, and all these other bearish fair value gaps are getting respected. So it's clear that when we are trending bearish, we're gonna start suspecting bullish. And so now this is my bias. I have my narrative right here that we are bearish in the morning. On the 15-minute, same thing. Respecting bearish, disrespecting bullish. So this gave me the opportunity to take a short. On the 15-minute, we have here these two large fair value gaps. Until these fair value gaps are being inversed, then I would change my interest into being short, into taking longs. So I just have these here, and yeah. So if we're respecting this bearish gap, if we start inversing, then obviously I would want to take long. I would want to start looking for longs, but at the same time, we do have to consider that if when we are inversing one of these bearish fair value gaps on the 60-minute, we will still be in a higher time frame, a 1 hour fair value gap, which is also good to consider. And so on the 5-minute now, we could see same thing, hit lows down here, and I'm pretty sure there's a lows, like a lot of, my bad. Let's see. Yeah, all these lows. We could run all these lows right here. I don't think we did this morning, but pretty good chance. I had pretty good chance too. I marked out some of these lows from here to there, just so I could see how close we are from those lows and the probability we would hit it. So now I'm going to show you guys a trade I took on the 1 minute. I do trade on the 1 minute. So yeah, let's see. Okay, what time is it? 9. Okay, so all right, New York AM opens, and then I just wait for a bullish fair value gap to be inversed, and that would be my entry depending on market conditions at the time. Bearish fair value gap gets inverse, but I'm not looking for that because I'm staying true to my bias. On the 60-minute, 1 hour, we were still in the fair value gap, and we were respecting it pretty well. So we're going to continue. We take out all this LRL right here. So now we come back down, I'm pretty sure, right? Reject off this high. And then, is this the inverse, I think? Is that inverse? It's not. Okay, so just keep waiting. Took out all this liquidity, all this LRL right here that was being waited to be swept. And then here we inverse this fair value gap here. 15-minute candle says we're bearish, and this is my entry. The 5-minute also says we're bearish. We're inversing this gap on the 5-minute also, so this is a pretty good entry. I put in 5 micros. I did a 1-to-1 for around $580 each. So we'll put this up around, it was 585, good enough, to 585. 580. Where's 585? Doesn't matter. All right. Let's remove this. And then we'll use a short tool position. So this little nice 1-to-1 played out perfectly. I'll just put it right here so I don't have to move the thing. But I didn't make $600. I made $500, but you get the point. It still hit TP. So let me just move this up so it's like aligned thing. Oh. All right, and then just watch it. And there we go, hit TP. That's how it's done. All right, that's the trade I took this morning. New York AM opens, took a short, hit TP, 1-to-1, made $580. Definitely a good trade today. I know there's news tomorrow, Friday. Should be good day. We'll see what happens, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good trade tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next trade recap.